Hi everyone, in this video I want to share how Dr. Michael Lee helped heal me from Bell's palsy paralysis. So I got Bell's palsy in May last year, and it affected not just half of my face or half of my head, but it impacted half of my entire body. And the doctors called it a neurological disorder. I've recovered about 95% in the first few months, but returning to work too soon caused a relapse. And for nearly a year, I dealt with lingering symptoms, head pressure, throbbing in that part of my head, tingling sensations that literally felt like worms crawling inside, and worst of all, I couldn't fall asleep easily anymore. Then last month, while crewing at Millionaire Mind intensive seminar in Dublin, I met Dr. Michael Lee, and at that time I was still struggling. After just one session with him, something shifted. The tingling disappeared, I could finally sleep again, and for the first time in a year, I felt normal and healthy, and it truly felt like a miracle. And what did he do actually, you may wonder. So Dr. Michael Lee tested my nerves and my muscles by having me raise my arms. When they stayed strong, it meant my brain was still protecting an old pain. There is a part of the brain that stores every painful experience we've been through over a lifetime. It doesn't care how long ago it happened. The brain only cares how deeply it hurt. And for me, the pain was still in my head. It was linked to past trauma. And the doctor tapped specific areas to stimulate my nervous system and reset that protection. It felt like he pushed the right buttons, and it worked. Before he left, I also mentioned briefly that I've struggled with precancerous cervical cells over the years, and he did another round of tapping, this time on my chest and my head again, and reactivated my body's natural healing response to support anti-cancer defense. So if your health isn't where you want it to be, and if you are looking for something more holistic and beyond the traditional medicine, I genuinely recommend Dr. Michael Lee. So huge thanks to Dr. Michael Lee, and for everyone watching, thanks for watching also. Bye.